Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to zoom your timeline in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to you guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can go ahead and get started creating a new project. So what you want to do is go ahead and create your new project, and after adding your new project, now we can get started in this new main menu with editing our videos. As you can see here, I have already added my media and my videos that I want to manage, and I have added them right here to my timeline. So as you can see here, we have multiple videos on our timeline, and now we can get started with managing them. So let's go ahead and see how to zoom in on the timeline. So basically what we will want to do is go ahead and look at our timeline right here so that we can get started with our options. And as you can see in this option right here, in this free thread right here on the internet showing us a tutorial how to do it, you can see that we can use zoom using keyboard shortcuts. So what we have to do is go ahead and hold the control and these two buttons right here, the plus and minus button, depending if we want to zoom in or zoom out. So go ahead and select your timeline, and then you can go ahead and use the keyboard shortcuts to get started with resizing your timeline. The second option that we have guys is, as you can see right here, is just to use the slider. So it's going to depend on what version of DaVinci Resolve you're using. Currently here it's not located right here, so you'll be able to go ahead and find your slider that you want to use and start relocating and you're using your timeline. So as you can see, I have gone into the edit option right here, and now I have my timeline zoom right here, so I can get started with zooming it or zooming out, zooming in, and so on. Here is the slider that we want to use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.